Welcome to Body Mind Health YouTube channel, where we bring you tips and tricks for a healthier and happier life. Today we're diving into the world of hair care, exploring effective ways to maintain those luscious locks. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Gentle detangling. Begin your hair care routine by using a wide tooth comb or a brush with soft bristles. Start from the tips and work your way up to prevent breakage and minimize stress on your hair strands. Tip number 2. Proper washing technique. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse your hair, and don't forget to massage your scalp. This promotes blood circulation, ensuring that your hair follicles receive essential nutrients. And remember, avoid hot water, as it can strip your hair of its natural oils. Tip number 3. Deep conditioning. Treat your hair to a deep conditioning session at least once a week. This helps restore moisture, repair damaged strands, and adds a beautiful shine. Choose a conditioner that suits your hair type for optimal results. Tip number 4. Gentle drying. Pat your hair dry with a soft, microfiber towel instead of rubbing vigorously. This reduces frizz and prevents unnecessary breakage. And remember, let your hair air dry whenever possible to minimize heat damage. Tip number 5. Nutrition matters. Your hair reflects your overall health, so make sure you're getting a balanced diet, rich in vitamins and minerals. Foods like fish, nuts, fruits, and vegetables contribute to the health and strength of your hair. Tip number 6. Exercise regularly. Physical activity promotes good circulation, including to your scalp. This helps to deliver essential nutrients to your hair follicles, contributing to healthier and stronger hair. Tip number 7. Sun protection. Just like your skin, your hair needs protection from the sun's harmful UV rays. Use a hat or a hair product with UV protection to shield your hair from damage caused by prolonged sun exposure. And there you have it. 7 effective ways to maintain healthy hair. Remember, consistency is key, so make these practices a part of your regular routine for the best results. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness content. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.